Hello everyone, welcome to our lithium battery. This is Nora from Sunway Solar and this is my partner Sherry. Come on, let us show you around and introduce you our lithium battery production process. Here is our lithium battery installation set. Our company have a production line. Every battery we will do final inspection of the purification, that show perfectly connection and test before shipment. If you are interested, please feel free to contact us.
We are producing this lithium battery. This is 5 kilowatt wire mounting lithium battery. If you need our product, you can visit our factory. This is our lithium battery packaged. We are shipping the lithium battery to all the world.
If you are interested in our product, please feel free to contact us. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.